This is a Hepco Becker 501-994-0022 stainless steel engine guard for the Honda CRF1000L Africa Twin. You can find this engine guard at accessoryinternational.com. This is a Hepco Becker engine guard, and it's purpose-built for your Honda CRF1000L Africa Twin. It's designed for models from 2016 and up, and the engine guard combines a real sleek design while keeping great durability to handle whatever the road is going to throw your way. Now, this engine guard is crafted from a high-quality stainless steel, and it gives you great protection against accidents, falls, or unexpected impacts. It's designed specific to the Africa Twin, and it's going to give you a direct bolt-on installation without requiring any drilling or modifications. Now, every kit is going to include all necessary installation hardware with easy to follow instructions to make it a real straightforward upgrade to your Africa Twin. Now, this guard doesn't just protect your bike, but it also enhances the bike's rugged look. It's a real model specific fit, so it follows the lines of the Africa Twin for a seamless factory installed appearance. And for riders who are looking for even more protection, you can opt in for the Hepco Becker Tank Guard, which is going to give you even more protection and is fully compatible with these engine guards as well. Now guys, my name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this since 1998. I ask that if you found any value out of this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel because it really helps us to continue putting out these free product overviews. For any questions on this product or any other for your Africa Twin, give us a call at 786-242-5400. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.